And I guess last question here on my end. Um, so, I'm sure there are some people watching right now who have a hobby for photography, right? And they might be curious to explore finding a way to make some extra money from photography, right? It might not be wedding; it could be all different types, landscape, etc., etc. Do you have any advice for these people who want to become or who want to start making some money on the side here?
I guess the beautiful thing about this freelance thing is that there is no set ways to do it, right? There is no manual that you have to do this step or get this prerequisite before you can be a photographer. And everyone finds their own path. So what I will do, what I would suggest is to find out what is your strong points. If you can assess yourself, I always give this example, like if you are a game character, right? If you are, let's say you're playing, I don't know, you're playing Diablo, right? Diablo. And there's like the wizard, there's the barbarian, there's the, I don't know lah, I haven't played Diablo in a long time, but
No, it's just when you use this kind of references, right? It just kind of tells a lot, like Diablo, which era are you from? Blah, blah, blah. But yes, Diablo is gonna come back. Diablo 4, yes.
yeah, Diablo 4. But yeah, if you think yourself in terms of this game character, right? What are your strengths? Because it doesn't make sense for a barbarian who is strength-based to work on his magic. Because he could get to a certain level, but it wouldn't be what he's good at. So I think it is nice to just write down on a piece of paper what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, and how you can leverage on your strengths instead of just trying to be good at everything, right? If you are good with people, what kind of photographs, I guess, can you do? If you have an eye for the details, could it be more macro photography kind of stuff, right? And one thing is, being a photographer, professional photographer, is never just about the photographs. It's a lot about your clients. If you're a wedding photographer, it's your wedding clients. If you're a commercial photographer, it's your corporate clients. It's a lot about how you can make them feel connected and how you can maintain that relationship 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road that they'll keep coming back. So don't just hide away in one corner and keep working on your photography, but get yourself out there into a community, start shooting, building a portfolio, and making friends. Making friends, not just photographer friends, but client friends. Find out what's their needs and how you can serve them better. I think that would be one of the most important things that you can do for yourself.
Hey, this is CS from More Money Malaysia. We are a platform dedicated to helping Malaysians like you make smart financial decisions. And the way we do that is through providing you with actionable advice, such as the video you just saw, right? But we're not here just to become your intellectual entertainment. We really do want to see you succeed, because we want to see you live that ultimate life that you've always dreamt of, right? And in order for us to do that, what we've decided to do is we want to help make it easier for you by providing different types of rewards throughout the months. So make sure you check out the description below, click on that link and see what type of reward you might be able to qualify for by taking action right now. And if you have any other questions about any of this, feel free to contact us wherever you find us. Take care.